Would you like to add a custom page to your store? In this video, you'll learn how to do just that. There are two ways to add custom pages to your store. Here's the first. Log into your store and click the View Store link on your navbar, followed by the Add Page link. Now here's the second. Head on over to Design and click the Information Pages link, followed by the Add tab. Next, click the OK button on the pop-up. For this example, we're going to create a Store Locator page, and we're going to make it look something like this. Okay, there will be two elements. The first will display an image of the store or the building the store is located at, and some information about the store. And at the bottom, we'll include a map or two about the store, its branches, and to the side of it, we'll include contact details of the store. Alright. The first thing you got to do is remove the default snippet. To do this, hover over the snippet until you see the yellow highlight, click on it, and then click the X. Next, over to the snippet menu and select all. This will display all the snippets. Right, we will need this one to display the image, and now we're going to look for one with maps. And here it is. We're going to drop this right below the first snippet. Right, let's just close this. Now let's go ahead and edit the first snippet. I'm gonna copy some prepared text over here and replace the title and the content. So just gonna copying and pasting. Okay, spotted the little typo, easily corrected. I'm going to reduce the size of the font. Yeah, looks better. Add a bit of space. And now for the bottom text, replace that. Now one thing to remember when you're copying text is to always copy from a notepad file or a notepad ++ file. This is because if you copy from, let's say, a Word document, you'll actually be copying along with your content background code, which could possibly mess up your HTML. Okay, so you want to avoid that. So now let's just replace this image right here. I've already got one prepared. As you can see, it's been cropped. This is what's been cropped to, which is the required dimensions for this snippet. Okay, and this is the original. As you can see, it's much bigger. Okay, now look out for a video link in this video and also in the description, and they will teach you how to find out what is the required dimension for the snippet images. You can see some snippets have square images, and some, like for example, the slider has wider images, right? So that video will teach you how to get the dimensions, as well as I'll share a couple of tools, free tools, which you can use to crop images as well as optimize them for the web. Okay, so that's it for the first snippet. Now for the second snippet, we're gonna need a little help from Google Maps. Just hit on the Google Maps and search for your company. Let's search for InstanteStore. Okay, next click share and embed a map. Copy the HTML. I'm going to paste it here temporarily, and I'm going to show you that there are actually two ways to replace the default map for this snippet right here. So I'm just going to duplicate this, right? Okay, now the first way is to click this blue icon, the one with the pointy brackets, which will open the source editor for this snippet. Okay, and you will be replacing this part iframe to iframe. I'm just going to copy it to show you that there's a slight difference. Besides the location code, it's this which you need to change. Okay, now for this snippet, you need to change this the width needs to be 100%. Okay, so that needs to change, and this needs to be 400, right? So I'm going to change that. I'm just going to copy it. Okay, and then minimize this and replace it here. Okay, click OK, and as you can see, the map has been replaced. So let's go to the next one. Now the next way to replace the map is to use this link. Okay, now you have to make again, you have to make a slight change to the code. Just remove this pointy bracket over here until the double quotes, and pointy bracket over here until the double quote before the width. Okay, copy, go over, hover over it until the edit link button appears. Click on it, select this whole thing, replace it, click OK, right, and voila. Just a couple of things before we wrap up this video on creating custom pages. Now, you may already know from our earlier videos that if you want to edit text on snippets, all you do is click on it, and this will display the menu bar. You can use the tools here to format your text, right? Now, you've seen me use these three icons in this video. Now let me draw attention to this icon here, the top one, right? This can be used to drag your snippets. Just left click and drag your snippets. Watch out for the gray horizontal bar, because that's where, when you release it, that's where the snippets went up. So there it is. Just do this again, right? Just drag and release. Okay. Now the last bit is the page settings. Okay, information page settings. This is for SEO purposes. This is what will show up on your search results pages. This will be the title, and this will be the description right below it, right? And then you can choose whether you want this link, right, to appear at the footer. Okay, right, so I've chosen to let it display, and I'm going to save this. To save the changes, click save. If you want to discard the changes, just click this little icon, and you will return to the custom page listing. Okay, so I'm going to just save here, and then probably publish it because I want it to appear live. So I refresh the page, and there it is. Let's just see how it looks. Okay, alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Right, you know the drill. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons, and we'd love to hear some feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching.